Abushia emwachi emwa esemwajo ebi odebaje Ghana television esuo audience bomode is the first time media bomode so be like ube follow ube subscribe we ya no wona gombia share button so e dia mofofo so atimi anya bi ahwe na the flight e den so ya san ama ye musu bi wa brenya brenya na ka cho se ye wiam hyen ensem egum no se esafata se wo se atimi de ba som nkwande a ye de beba e dia ba besom nti abrenya brenya na me no hye sia me ka cho se fasten your seat belt. Ebushia, my first da kase pa and my boy for Brena being omutimi eso ye na say what the flight to me mu. E glit and glow cosmetics so and general organic foods and Kinaata herbal center. E ban se will be the DA pa dia ni nyina na say call akwa kodi 100% organic foods ni bi e di free ye general organic foods what you say ye wi so na afia akwa kopie mu e wo Kinaata herbal for akachi na ye wi ye nwie wo se esere nku papa ma ye honam bia ne timiti se yire ntituntuma na se kokko kan ho tutumirika obesi ekobam kone kopie o makachi na so kone kwaji nku ni bi na bibia ntimi kwaso kama as you remain your humble pilot in the cockpit medium jeso ene musonfo nana K Jesse Abrante na bushia ma ye nane ye ho sima what you say afi ye ba ye body ready wo wiemhye na nkase mu stay tuned ye besisi a
me wo landing baby am wo ye Walthamstow wo we hie nku yi bi se wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside landing baby wo contact me mami wusu ana se Helena baby a wo bia so far as I wo betua wo postage ye be postu e dia brew se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enku no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asay kala no na se wunya glitter and glow na wo start beginning no ube hu se repair wo kala no ube ye kama ube ye kama say de mi gina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi ho na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwi wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me ka landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia opesa wo frame numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma glitter and glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekasa powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye glit and glow.
That's how your food na kwa babio. Ebia first time ya oni e share mu de na best share bomden subscribe what you say wo YouTube follow like na comment if adwen change na go. Ebere share mu na betimi ene wo e share wo nya kenkan bibia e de ama re fi se media me so. Mede mo sonfo nana K Jesse Abrante na busuyen. Ubeka na say evangelist Diana Asamoah. Mama ya nyumtuni kese pa wo my Ghana ma chese be kan say she is Holy Ghost filled. She is holy spiritually filled. More times than more the Babato about to me say a casa. Nana saying about one sense, me about because we need be more kind and my men or quadratic crash and a tasso, or quadratic crash and a funum into a sorry and I say, no prayer was what can you know? It's answer Holy Spirit in every more or did see Caspirit never be running Montino. Or Soria, Sebi, they are semi yano crano, one can I say, or Katakata so MPP 4 this in Hunukrana, Sebi, Nama me at our machine. No, I just will bar a fear or dog. Esa de ababe sisu bi obese we de odi ababe twimu pa gegra wo se ma me da na Samoah ka me akwa se enka ne na ya jiudi se wo ka se wo na Nyankopon na moso e de hye wo man nkom Nyankopon na moso de nwoma e hye nkran enwoma ahomeka wom enwuma sebio eboni panka ye obabi a wo free na so na nse na ka me akose sa honhom Holy Spirit na ye tai boni din no evangelist Diana Asamoah afiri wo mu kọ na ye boben Afia Odo na ebusan se Afia Ghana TV suni na nsem a wo kan asechire pa ne se no so enye se bia one evangelist Diana Asamoah mo akasa na emum no enka ne evangelist Diana Asamoah ba simpie so anase wo ba begina prama bi so se wo kasa wotimu se ne nsem a wo kan nyina se Holy Spirit ba kina wotimu se yes nsem CP6 bibia de na kwam na so na nsen MPP fo ba ban so no nsem a evangelist Diana Asamoah ba betina kasa mfoni ahodo so ne kasa no ma ahodo so a wo kan nyina na wotimu se sika na ahye ne ma Holy Spirit bia ne mu bio sebi MPP fo ba ye oman mu ayeden enkofo kan nkofo nya adwuma nya nkofo nya sika anu na Afia Odo so tirem a wo sei senia eye evangelist Diana Asamoah eba betina TV so a nanu na wo kan san Ghana maburu na mpa adwuma na MPP fo na abomode na etiesi oman wo sei evangelist Diana Asamoah sa wasem na wo kan ye ne pa de be ya nkatwe se free se wo no Afia Odo de wo se wo hye Ghana fo hye wu wo se de wo kan nyina ne se Ghana de hye epa adwuma omoye abrefo ma na mmom ne kakra wa na free fotuo ni mu ba ne boto ni mu no esa ani nti na ya abenya na anyoma akwa de bi se ubetime hu maami bi na ne ba hye na ti ubetime hu abrante bi ka yayo ne ko hu trinti ne hu fifire na busuyen se na Afia Odo si cheche nsem no be se yen fa hu mne kase ene obi nso nsi trodo matoa odi abusuyen yenko na fa waso ene wano ene wani yakase ni aso ate ene de ani ehu na no edi ho adanse odi yenko ohun na so kono kohwe bi ya ba afidaka bia no ya de beto aso de ama
There's no tables, there's no chairs. We're asking for the basic things that a running government should have, and we don't have those things. So we're tired of it, and we want answers now.
What pisses you off the most about where Ghana is at the moment?
We're broke.
Yeah.
Like financially, we're working so hard, and they cannot say that the youth are lazy. I see people working every day, every morning on the street. Mothers are having their kids on their back, trying to make ends meet on a daily basis. So we're not lazy. It's just that it's like you work so hard and just to make coins in the end, you know. There's no future. Literally, in America, you can literally work at McDonald's and build a future for yourself.
Yeah.
Over here, you're literally working just to buy watches to eat. You don't even have the mentality. You can't even think about even like buying a car or buying a house. You're thinking about how you're gonna eat tomorrow.
Yeah.
And that's a problem.
So why are you not speaking up for Fix the Country anymore?
So I actually wanna change the direction.
Okay.
I feel like at the end of the day, the things that I'm saying, they know, they see it. So I have to take it into myself and find a way to help the people.
Okay.
Because if the people in power, the people that we vote, that we give power to, are not willing to help us, then I have to find a way within myself and my power, my platform, to help the people that I so badly care about, which is the Ghanaian people.
So how are you gonna do this? Have you figured it out already?
I am. I mean, I'm still in talks with people of power, people who have the finances to support an NGO.
Okay.
You know, I do my part by supporting people in my neighborhood, people in my inner circle, my social media. Every day. If you're like, can you please give me 50 cities, 20 cities? I need a laptop. I do my little part that I can, but I don't like to talk too much about what I'm coming to do because I don't want to jinx myself. Okay. But I am working behind closed doors to work with other people and bringing a change to the youth.
Are you afraid to speak up? Have you been threatened?
Yes, that's one of the reasons why I kind of stopped Fix the Country.
You were threatened?
Yes, I was threatened. On Telegram, they were sending me messages that even if I go, I didn't even go for the demonstration.
Yeah.
They threatened me that if I go on the demonstration, they'll pour acid on my face. I was getting phone calls from different numbers. They put my number out. They had put my number in a group of the people in the group.
Yeah.
Our numbers out in the public. So I was getting different calls from different people. I don't know who they are.
Yeah.
They could be from NDC. They could be from MPP.
Yeah.
Just calling me, threatening me. So, and my mom, you know, she's in New York. She's not here with me. So she was really scared for my life.
Nana, so TV, wasuma, where dear, Send any for Akonya Resu. Nancy Babato Montana, ebi mo kan fia odo na wonte brofo e na wontimi nka bi e na de be odi obesie otan okodua ya na we in America otan okodua ya na we in America what ya say ani nti ya de asida kase pa e na ebe ma ya bofo do na bi no mtimi aso na say e wo the flat dwuma die so aya Glitz and Glow Cosmetics sanso e na General Organic Food Sanitary Atata Center wodan se busuyen srenku papa what ya say de didie na mo apomuden mu ehu ehia nti abenya abenya akọ medical check-up what in Atata Center for a catching a baby and me uncle so come inform. I don't pay a year and one subscribe ya but more best subscribe. Ube follow all the social media handles Ghana Television. What I see, send a bring your latest update. No, you need the 2 more paper. One so one sir, a bit me I can be as like I see bio uncle and farmer me producer on duty. Edmond Pokus chief for Kimberg. Me so Obesi metina we machine tiffin. I obesi I sat in the cockpit. I me do one number me diam just so I remain your humble pilot. Nana K Jesse Abrantie. Have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Abrese mono, let's no Jesse mo. My crowd.
Oh, doc. Yes, and you doc. I want to know why you did. No, that's why she. I've said you need to no say the young kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young heartburn so as I become. Let them cry. The meaning said if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake, eyema ubi awenya malaria fever. Ena tinatet tomac mixture, eyema ubi awenya heartburn, indigestion, ena ni yem eyeneya. Tinatet edroi, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.